Hello everybody, welcome back to part 2 of this motif. As I told you in previous video, you have to keep continue the pattern until you have the group of 10, or in the other way you can have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 groups. So it means that we are going to leave another 2 parts. In this time we are going to work on these only 3 parts. What we have to do again, because I told you we make it in group of 10. Now it's time to start the group of 11. I'm going to insert my hook here, take the yarn and start by chain 3. Now, as I told you, we are going to make group of 11 by make 1 double crochet on the top of each stitches. You can cover the yarn between the stitches. As you can see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If we make 2 more in this space, we are going to have groups of 11. Then we repeat by chain 3, 2 more double crochet in the loop, and then 9 on the top of each to make the group of 11. And we keep continue only these 3 parts, and we keep continue until we receive the group of 14. I'll do that and I'll be back. As you can see here, I already finished these 3 parts with the group of 14. Now it's time to just keep continue 2 more rows only for the part in the middle and the last part to make it the group of 18. So I'm going to insert the hook here, take the yarn, start by chain 3, and as I told you, I'm going to repeat 2 more rows until I have the group of 16. And then the only last part is gonna be to just do something for edge, and it's going to be finished soon. So in this row I'm going to have the group of 15. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. If I make 2 more here, it's going to be 15. I'm going to keep continue and 1 more row for 16 and I'll be back. As you can see here, I already had 2 more rows only for the last part, and the leaves should look like that. This is the front side. Now it's time to just do the last part for edge, what we have to do, we're going to start by make one single crochet on the top of each chain. Just I'm going to make one and you keep continue. We make one single crochet on the top of each chain. The only difference is just the corner and the one at the top. Always when it comes to that loops, we are going to make 4 single crochet in the loop. And then again we keep continue one by one. When we finish only that part, because I'm going to show you how to make the one on the corner. When it comes to the corner like that, just make 2 single crochet in each. Jump here, 1 and 2, then again start to make 1 single crochet on the top of each chain. We are going to keep continue until you receive here, because I'm going to show you how to make this small part here. I'll do that until I come to the middle of this. Now I did all of the edge with a single crochet. As you can see here, now I'm in the middle of the small part. When it comes to that part, just make 1 single crochet and then start to make some chain. It really depends, it's optional, you make the length you like by make some chain. I'm going to stop it here. Then for the first one, just I make 1 half double crochet, and for the rest you can make single crochet. It's up to you also, if you like you can make it all in half double crochet. After we finish that part, we keep continue the rest of the pattern by make 1 single crochet on the top of each. So as you can see here, you have a little bit, this is the part you have to make. Then we are going to keep continue again until single crochet until you reach the first part, and it's going to be the finish the motif. You can use it for any project you like. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe the channel and have a great day.